Hello and welcome everyone. Going to show here how to make a list on fix this situation. So what you're gonna do is about to go to the plugin and start to type list. Now once you type list, random list generator, and we can do list creator. So I will recommend the list creator right here. Start to run it. Then you can start to make a padding and spacing. As you can see, we can go for the first stage. So we can do that on the objects, applying on it with the rectangle. So let's do it again. I'm gonna start to do it. We select the object again, and here we are. This is really how it works. So making this kind of okay my frame name, and I don't know why this rectangle is really like this list. So that is really about something that we see that is still not accurate. So we can type list. We choose the first one, random list create. We can start to double click. We can see right here the list is really like this. So that is really how we see. Also you can find many plugins over it, and you will learn how you make a